That's a great idea, Bill. Hey, it's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And we just finished constructing a giant T-Rex head out of cardboard and trash. And we want to show you how you can make your own T-Rex head at home. Come on. To make your own dinosaur head at home, you're gonna need some different color paints of green. You'll need some paint brushes to paint with, and you'll need some white construction paper to make the eyes and the teeth. And of course, you'll need your own cardboard box. Now let's turn this box into the dinosaur head. We'll start by drawing the mouth. So back here, we'll just make a swoop like this. And then on the front, this will be the front of his face. We'll just go all the way across. And on the very back, we'll continue that swoop all the way up. This will be the lower jaw, and this will be where his eye is. We can draw an eyeball. There we go. And up here, we can draw his nose. 2 nostrils. Perfect. It'll make sense. Now grab a grown-up and have them do this part. They're gonna cut out the mouth all the way up here, the front part right here, and the back part all the way right here. But don't cut the back, because now we can open the mouth so that it looks like it's talking. Now we're gonna paint our dinosaur. Now remember, this part is what brings it all to life. So we're gonna start with our lightest color here. This is our light green, and it almost looks like it's yellow. And we're gonna go right here by the jaw. And I'll do the top part of the jaw too. And I'll make a little bit of a bigger jaw, like this. These are the lips here. Now I'm gonna take this darker green, and we're gonna add below the chin right here. There we go. And we'll paint this whole section in all the way around this eye right here. But we'll make sure that we keep this space around the eye for the dark parts. You can even take your finger and kind of blend the 2 colors together like this. Awesome. Now we're gonna take our darkest green. This almost looks black. And we're gonna put it right around the eye parts here. We'll go all the way around here. Perfect. And just like before, we'll take our finger and we can blend it. Look at how that all blends together. Oh, it looks so cool. Now we're gonna add some texture just like we did with our other dinosaur. So all you'll need is a paper towel. I'll take this paper towel like this, and I'll take our lighter color right here, just like this. And we're just gonna tap, 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 and create all sorts of texture, kind of like it looks like scales. And even get some of our dark color too, like this, and tap, tap, tap all around. Very cool. Just keep using your paper towel, kind of like a sponge, and tap, tap all around while everything's still wet. And it'll really make it look like a real dinosaur. We can add it down here. I'm gonna paint the top, this green like this. Now we're gonna do the front of the face. Remember, these are our nostrils, but we're gonna do the same thing. This light color all the way around the lips here, where we cut the box, and then a bit of a brighter green right above that. All right, we'll blend that again, but maybe I'll use the paper towel to blend. Let's use the dark color for the nostrils. I'll just do 2 little holes, one here and one there. Like it's scales all the way around. Perfect. Now, we're missing our teeth inside, so we need to add some teeth. And to do that, we're gonna use our white construction paper. These are some of the dinosaur teeth I already cut out. You'll just take 1 regular sheet of construction paper that's white and cut it right down the middle. And you can have a grown-up help you cut out the teeth by cutting some triangles, like this, back and forth. You can make some that are curved, like fangs. Awesome. Now we're gonna tape this to the inside of the box. So grab some tape. I'll open him up like this, and we'll tape the teeth right on the inside around the lips, like this. Whoa, that's gonna look so cool. There we go. Cut a little piece like this, put it on a piece of paper like this, and we'll just tape it right on the inside, right here. Oh, look at that. Cool. Now I'm gonna paint the inside with this pink or red because it looks like the inside of a mouth. Or you could just keep it a regular box color, since we're gonna keep it close anyway. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun and find some of your favorite colors to paint it. Whoa, it turned out so great. And the last thing to do is to add the eyes, just like this. I just cut this out of some white printer paper or construction paper, and then I drew this with a little marker. Let's take some tape, or you could use a glue stick, and I'll make a little roly-poly with this and stick it on the back, and we'll put it right there. And look, I even added a little bit of light paint right here to look like an eyebrow to make him look really, really angry. And there you go, there's our dinosaur. He looks great. Whoa, and we made this all by ourselves. And you can make this all by yourself too. Building things can be so much fun. Try grabbing a cardboard box and some paint and craft supplies and see what you can come up with. Maybe you'll make a dinosaur head like this, or maybe you'll make something really big and creative like this. Whatever you come up with, use your imagination and see what you can build. Until next time, see you later, friend. Bye-bye. There's lots more fun dinosaur stuff over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. We're constructing big projects and making all sorts of crafts that you can try at home. Join us as we celebrate all things dinosaur for our dinosaur celebration here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.